Hi everyone, today I'm excited to talk about sociolinguistics, a fascinating field that explores the intersection of language and society. Sociolinguistics overview. First, let's define what sociolinguistics is. Sociolinguistics is the study of how language varies and changes in social contexts. It examines the relationship between language and social factors, including class, gender, ethnicity, and age. It's a fascinating work to talk about this concept. At its core, sociolinguistics seeks to understand how languages reflects and shapes social identities. For example, the way we speak can reveal our regional background, education level, and even our social networks. Functions. The functions of sociolinguistics are numerous. It helps us understand language attitudes, the social functions of dialects, and how language can reinforce or challenge social hierarchies. By studying sociolinguistics, we gain insights into issues such as language policy and education, bilingualism, and language rights. Origin and development. Sociolinguistics originate in the mid 20th century, influenced by the work of linguistics like William Labov, who studied the linguistic features of different social groups. Over time, the field has expanded to include various methodologies and interdisciplinary approaches, integrating insights from anthropology, psychology, and sociology. Linguistic theories. To understand sociolinguistics better, we must consider some linguistic theories, such as structuralist theory. Structuralist theory focuses on the underlying structures of language, emphasizing the rules and systems that govern linguistic forms. This approach helps us analyze how these structures interact with social variables. Generative theory. In contrast, generative theory, developed by Noam Chomsky, posits that the ability to generate language is innate to humans. While this theory primarily addresses the cognitive aspects of language, it also has implications for understanding language's variation in social contexts. Social background of languages. The social background of languages is crucial in sociolinguistics. Language is not just a means of communication, it is a social tool that reflects cultural values and power dynamics. For instance, the status of a language can affect its speakers' social standing. Linguistics variation. Next, let's explore linguistics variation. Language is not uniform, it varies across different dimensions, such as geographic variation. Geographic variation refers to differences in language based on location. For example, accents and dialects can differ significantly from one region to another, illustrating how geography influences language. Social variation. That's really important. Social variation encompasses differences in languages used among various social groups. Factors such as socioeconomic status, education, and occupation can lead to distinct linguistic features within a community. The phasic variation, that is another very important point. The phasic variation involves differences in language use depending on the context or situations. For instance, people may use formal language in professional settings and informal language with friends. That is very common. Historical variation. Finally, historical variation addresses how language evolves over time. Languages change due to social influences, technological advancements, and contact with other languages, leading to the rich tapestry of linguistics diversity we see today. Conclusion. In conclusion, sociolinguistics provides a critical lens through which we can examine the complex relationships between the language and society. By understanding sociolinguistic principles, we can appreciate the dynamic nature of language and its role in shaping our social identities. Thank you for your attention.